Alright, the parts for this thing is what it is the outer wheel seal on the hydros is leaking. And unfortunately the only way to fix those seals is you have to take the hydros out, split the cases, pull the axle out because it's locked in with C-locks, and then you can get to your seal to change it out. Older mowers used to be able to just pull the hub off and then you can pull the seal from the outside, but you can't on these. They have to actually come apart. So the parts that you'll need, because we're going to change the belt while we're at it, you'll need a new drive belt, and the Toro part number for that is a 131124. Again, we're going to be changing the oil and everything, so you're going to need 2 filters for the hydros. The hydro filters is it's a tough torque item number, but it's from Toro, and that is a 187Q0699970. 5 quarts of Toro hyper oil. You have sealant, which is what you seal the cases back together with. They don't use a gasket, and its part number is a 1210959. You have 2 washers, and that part number is a 1324748. And then you have your axle seals, and being as I'm doing both of them, I got 2. So I have 2 kits here because I'm doing both sides. And that part number is a 1324745. So everything we need here to do both hydro units, there's 1 of each, there's 2 of each here, is your sealant, your washers, your seal, your filters, your oil, and the belt. And that should have everything back up to what it needs to be. So I'll get started when we get back after we hit these hydros all changed.